Chief Minister Siddaramaiah claims the land as his own. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah accuses BJP. BJP demands CBI probe in alleged Muda scam. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is facing allegations of fabricating documents regarding a piece of 3.16 acres of land in his wife's name and fraudulently getting 14 sites worth rupees 2 crore each allotted by Muda. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah addressed the media in Mysuru claiming that these accusations are politically motivated and he is being targeted as he belongs to a backward class, and yet became the Chief Minister a second time in Karnataka. Additionally, he defended himself, asserting that the land was originally agricultural and underwent legal conversion in 2005, overseen by the Deputy Commissioner himself. He clarified that the land was legally gifted to him by his brother-in-law, Mallikarjuna Swamy.
Land originally purchased by Ninga in the action, and that land has been purchased by one Mallikarjuna Swamy.
Okay.
He happened to be my brother-in-law. That is in the year 2004. In 2004 and 5, that land was converted for the housing schemes. There is an order by the DC to that effect. And this land has been gifted to my wife, that is sister of Mallikarjuna Swamy.
Afterwards, in 2014, Muda illegally acquired it and sites were formed and distributed. He attributed the timing of the accusations to political motives, noting that the allotment was made during BJP's tenure in 2021. The demand for a CBI probe reflects ongoing tension and scrutiny over alleged improprieties within Muda's operations.
So that property was converted land from agricultural land to
DC conversion that happened.
from by Mysore DC.
Yes.
And in 2013 or 14, this land was taken over by illegally by Muda.
Your land was taken over by Muda in 2013-14.
13-14.
Okay.
I don't know the exact date.
Okay.
I think 13-14.
Meanwhile, the BJP staged a protest against Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and the Muda scam. Mysuru MP and Maharaja of Mysuru, Yaduvir Krishnadatta Chamaraja Vadiyar, was also seen among the protesters. Even the BJP is demanding a CBI probe against the scam. News Desk reports such the reality.